Hey Scrappy Peeps, Suzanna here today to share with you this layout I created using the February Elle Studio kit. So to begin with, I created a rainbow background. So I have the 7 different colors of the rainbow in acrylic paints. I'm going to water it down a little bit and then repeat that with each of those colors. And I'm going to save you the process of me washing the brush and what have you. That selvage strip that I put down the bottom is from the Noteworthy collection. And then in the February kit, there are labels. And so I have chosen different size labels in each of the rainbow colors that I am going to put on each of those acrylic painted strips. I also have this card with the purple from the February kit, and I wanted to incorporate that in somehow. Originally, I was going to turn it horizontally. However, my photo is vertical, so I decided that it would make a good layer for my photo and incorporate that purple by shifting the photo down to the bottom of the layout, whereas originally I was going to put it at the top. So my title is going to be called Happiness. I am later going to amend that title, and I'm going to use one of the wood veneers that says February, and it'll be February Happiness. So that is the acrylic that comes as an add-on for the February kit. These are the February labels, and there are all sorts of different icons in different colors, and I'm going to use a few of those and pepper those throughout the layout to incorporate more of the colors. So the idea of the layout was to just be rainbow inspired and journal about my particular day in February when this picture was taken. And so I'm going to try, you can see on the left hand side there I've got bits and pieces of the February kit, labels. I have pulled out actually pattern paper of each of the rainbow colors, the Roy G. Biv, but I don't actually end up incorporating those. But I am taking bits and pieces from various different labels and using those to incorporate more of the tone-on-tone color into each of those Roy G. Biv colors there. There is no rhyme or reason really to the things that I chose other than the fact that they are the same color. So I end up switching this label because the labels tended to be very heavy on the left-hand side of the layout, and I wanted to try and get a little bit more dispersed over to that right-hand side to create some balance against that darker photo that I have of myself at that bottom left-hand corner there. And so by moving the title and then the label, hence over to the right-hand side, I'm able to get a disbursement of that color a little bit better there. I am decided to, originally I was going to type the journaling in each of those labels, but it was way more work than I could manage, and I do find that having my own handwriting on my layouts is something that I want for the future. So I will go in after the fact, after I've done creating the layout, and I will handwrite the journaling, which you can read in the close-ups below. But basically it's just literally a blow-by-blow account of my day with my sister up in Baltimore. We have had a lot of stuff going on here in the family, and so this was a nice little getaway where it was just me and my sister and not worrying about all of the things that were going on at home and those stressors that are happening here. And that's basically essentially what the journaling is. It's kind of like snippets of our day throughout the day. So this says enjoy, and also from the February kit. I did incorporate those purple letters that are from the February kit add-on as well, and I'm just going to use an S on the photo next to me, so it's tone on tone of that purple, which I do off camera. What I'm using now are the phrase stickers, the real life phrase stickers, and I'm going to put at the top, it says currently, the one in the orange says real life right now, and then the one on the bottom that's in below the purple, it says this is pure happiness, that says this happened. So just kind of relevant phrases to pointing out that these are today's events. I have used these acrylic stars somewhere else, so I just chose three of them to kind of pull your eye down the page as my trio. And then I also wanted to complete those colors of the rainbow, and so I'm going to use a yellow, an orange, and a blue of these puffy heart stickers that are not from the February collection but are still available in the store. This is the wood veneer that I'm going to incorporate, so I end up having to move that yellow heart in order to make the title then be Feb Happiness. So that, my friends, is how I have built my own little rainbow of happiness using bits and pieces from the February kit, as well as some acrylic paint, and it's dead easy to do. Then I also wanted to incorporate some of the stamps, just a couple of the phrases and things that we did. I'm going to do thumbs up in red, and then in green I have the movie clapboard, because we did lay in bed and watch a movie together, my sister and I, although I don't end up having room to talk about that in the journaling. So I hope you enjoyed my rainbow of happiness, and if you are so inspired, do check out the affiliate link down below, and be sure to check out the February things. And in a couple of days is the March release, and you will definitely want to come back and check that out. So enjoy the close-ups. Thanks for stopping in today. I hope you're doing well. Take care.